Merry Christmas! Hi guys, welcome back to Bride Society. I'm Rebecca, this is Laura, and it is nearly Christmas. And for us, this is actually us signing off for Christmas. So we thought we'd wrap up our 2024 with a final, thank you, farewell to the year video, and yeah, to share a bit of what our year was and do a bit of a wrap up, basically.
Yeah. You've heard of Spotify Wrapped? We're Bride Society Wrapped. Possibly not quite as exciting, but still.
Are you trademarking that? Yeah. So, yeah, what's happened in the last year?
So it's been a whirlwind, as
We don't know where it's gone.
all years
for a
are.
start.
But we've had another great year and really appreciate all your support. And this year we've managed to get, looking at our views and analytics and things like that. So over the past year we've had over 1.1 million views on our channel, which as always just blows our minds. So thank you for watching. And that's over 21,000 watch hours, which is a lot of time spent watching YouTube.
We're not judging. We're grateful.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us. And in that time in the last year, that another 2.8 thousand of you have joined us as subscribers. So welcome and thank you for joining us. We appreciate it. We hope you'll stick around for another year. But as we have already said, but just to really emphasize it, thank you again for all the support through the watching, the commenting, the liking, the sharing, all the things across all our platforms, not just here on YouTube, but mostly Instagram as well. It's really great to have you here as part of the community, because we call it Bride Society. It's not just Laura and I, it's supposed to be that society, that community of couples getting married, all kind of supporting each other and helping each other enjoy that wedding planning journey. And so we can't do that without you. So yeah, thank you for being part of it, and please do continue to do all those things and support each other in the coming year.
So some of our top videos this year have been how to make confetti cones, so people prepping for that photo confetti moment.
People love the confetti cones.
Our multi-way dress tutorials have been really popular again as well, so that's also really handy if you're planning, or if your bridesmaids are having multi-way dresses, you've all been learning how to tie them the ways and the styles that you want to, as well as our floral pocket square DIY this year that was kind of a bit of a trend prediction last year, and it's just a much easier way to have some sort of buttonhole type thing without having to faff with pins trying to grapple how to put it onto your suit. So you've all been enjoying that as well, which has been brilliant.
Yeah. And so this year, thinking about people we sort of worked with and want to thank, that is actually mainly been Steph from The Secret Bridesmaid, who actually we worked on a number of those videos we've just mentioned actually. So well done Steph, because they are some of our most popular videos, so we appreciate that. But yeah, it's been lovely to work with her, and we've worked with her a few times over the recent years now, so yeah, so we like you a lot Steph, and thank you. But yeah, and also special thanks to some of the companies that we worked with recently on our recent advent calendars video, like Brick by Brick 23 and Proper Goose. Yeah, thank you for your contribution to that video.
So as always, we're looking ahead to the coming year, and we'd like to create content that you want to see. So please let us know if you've got any requests for videos. So that could be DIY requests, it could be if you've got any burning questions you'd like us to answer, if you've got any topics or kind of try on videos or hauls, things like that you might want to see. Please let us know in the comments below, and we'll do our best to film those for you.
And whilst we are taking a little Christmas break now, because, well, we need one, but don't forget, obviously, we have so much content on our channel to keep you entertained in the meantime. And of course, looking forward to next year, we do already have up on our channel our 2025 wedding trend predictions. So I think that's a good one to keep yourself entertained with if you haven't already seen it. But we will be back in the new year with lots more content, and as Laura said, if you get your request ideas in, hopefully you'll see those popping up shortly in the new year.
So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel so you won't miss anything. If you know anyone who's newly engaged and think would really benefit from any of our tips, advice, inspiration, DIY, things like that, please share the channel or our social channels with them. We're on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, on X/Twitter, because I can't get on board with still calling it X.
Threads.
And Threads, everywhere. YouTube, obviously, because you're here. Yeah, so please share that with them. And yeah.
See you in 2025.